not one side of it because the other side has tenants in it right now. But this side is selling for $275,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 1,000 square feet. Let's go look inside. Here we are inside the property. We have, as soon as you walk in, this hallway. It has the washer and dryer hookups behind these doors, which is perfect. It's hidden away, you don't have to see it. And then you have your ground floor bathroom. This has a newly renovated sink with a granite countertop, these lovely new cabinets, and a toilet. The floor is different from the rest of the house. It's a stone floor, easy to clean. But as you walk into the living room area, you'll see that the floor is this lovely light hardwood. You have an air conditioning unit, which is good for the summertime. There's even a handy storage behind the stairs. So they've used almost every space of this house. Like I said, it was about 1,000 square feet, but you can really use every foot of it. And then, so here is the living room. It's very open, the ceilings are a little bit higher, and then you walk into the dining room. And I love that it's open and kind of connected because you can have that sense of family in the same area. It leads into this beautiful little kitchen. This is my favorite. It's just so cute. But it has everything new. Appliances, a new stove, new microwave, new refrigerator. One of my favorite qualities about this kitchen though is this farm sink. Look at this with the faucet. It's so cute. But this also has the granite countertops and the new cabinets that match the bathroom as well. Okay, I'll show you the top floor now. It's actually very impressive how many bedrooms they were able to fit. Like I said, they use every foot that they possibly could and make it utilized for really cool things. So we have brand new carpet up here. It's very beautiful. And bedroom number 1 is on the top of the stairs. It has a very large open window, so it makes it look very bright in here. And then there's a closet as well. And one of the most interesting things that I really like are these doors. They kind of are like farmhouse doors. They're really pretty. And then we have bedroom number 2. This one also has a closet, new carpeting, and then it has a window that looks over the backyard. Okay, and then in the middle of these 2 bedrooms and the next 2 bedrooms I'll show you is the bathroom. And we have that cool stone tile that we saw in the bathroom on the ground floor. But there's also more shelving space in here, so you can use it for towels. And this has this cool tiled bathroom, the shower area, the toilet, and then the same unit that we saw downstairs on the ground floor bathroom for the sink. Oh, and we have more storage. Look at that. See, they really do use every single square foot for something here. And then we have a little catwalk hallway going down to bedroom number 3. This is one of the smaller bedrooms. It has a closet though. The closet does not have a door, but that's okay. I feel like this could be used as either an office or a playroom or even a small nursery for a new baby. I think that would be one of the better uses for this room. And the master bedroom. I absolutely love the architecture on the window. It makes the room feel a little bit bigger and deeper, gives it a cool accent. This has new carpeting as well, but it also has its own bathroom. There's a small shower, and it has the same tile detailing as the shower in the first bathroom. And we have the granite countertop again, those new fresh drawers, and a walk-in closet. Like I said, they really used every single space for something and nothing was wasted. So I really like this house. It's a good duplex. I'm pretty sure the other side looks the same as this side, but we'll have to try to find out at a later date.